think the best way to explain it is that it's not siloed marketing. You have all of these marketing channels, all of these tools that you can use to get your story out. You have your website, that's a given. You may have email marketing and people you engage with through email. You may have social channels, and each social channel will be different. Your stakeholders or the people that engage with you may only engage with you on social. And if that's the case, then that should be the largest part of your marketing strategy. Okay, you've won this award. Is it press release worthy? Yes, no. Okay, who's going to care? Do we have a place on our website to list all of our awards? Because some clients will be looking at that, or potential clients. Do you want to feature it in a blog? Is there something interesting that you did that might be, since it was award-winning, is there some information we could be sharing with our stakeholders? So we look at all of those different things, and when you have an integrated marketing, you think in that way, you're breaking through all the noise out there. It comes down to, do you understand your stakeholders and how they want to engage, and work towards that.